Alrighty, what's up you guys? I hope you are well. Today we are going to be going through how you can get your first client with posting content on social media, and we're going to be using a diagram on Canva, or it's actually a whiteboard, not a diagram. But let's get into it. If you like today's video, of course, like it, share it, everything like that, as well as subscribe to the channel because subscribers are dope. Thank you if you do subscribe. And other than that, we are interested in anything like social media and you want to build a personal brand and learn how to sell stuff and things of such nature. We'll also hold you through accountability, guide you through a process on how we can help you, as well as you get a free 30-minute consultation call to see whether I can or I cannot help you. So therefore, choose if you want to work with us or we want to work with you. So the option is in your favor. It's completely free. I won't sales pitch you. It'll be in the link in the description. So first link will be that if you're interested. But let's actually get into turn on my camera to the point where it's actually working. There you go. Alrighty, so this is decent. There are 3 pillars of this sort of thing, which is social, free, and paid. So this is how it works. We'll change our color to green. We got social. What is social? It's anything that is social media based, like Instagram, YouTube, that sort of stuff. So you can do this by building content, which is either in the forms of get my writing, I'm using a mouse, or you can do stuff like pictures, pics for short. So that's your main base of content, or you could even do it as text-based content. So these are your 3 pillars of content, right? And let's pick another color. Let's go with blue. So the other ways you can form content, in case you don't already know, instead of just focusing on one platform, so one PDF, we'll do platform, don't do this. So this right here, don't do it. Let's make this red so it's obvious so you can actually see. Don't post on one platform. It's silly. I don't see why people tell people to do it, but post on all the platforms. So the main social media platforms will be YouTube, that's 1, Instagram 2, TikTok 3. So instead of this, you're going to want to focus on 3 platforms. We'll do PF for short, and these would be TikTok, so TKIG, and that's pretty much how simple it is. You're going to make content. It's going to be either in a video based content, it'll be pictures, which is more Instagram and TikTok, and you can do text based content. You can sort of do this on YouTube if you do things like AI built sort of content. You can write text and you can make the AI speak whatever you are saying, and text-based content is sort of involving a script. So it's pretty simple. On social media, post content that's a video, text-based, or pictures. You post on 3 platforms instead of 1 platform, because theoretically, what if TikTok disappeared tomorrow? What if Instagram disappeared tomorrow? Or what if YouTube disappeared tomorrow? So if one of them fails, you got 2 of them as a backup, and vice versa. So after you've done this, let's change the color to black. You're going to want to send all of these people by doing a CTA to your free community, which can be on Instagram, it can be on Discord. So you're going to want to send these people to a free sort of community. You can do this on Telegram. You can also do it on, let's say, Discord or any of the other group chat platforms out there. So group chat will be GC for short. So the way you give them free content is obviously through content itself, and along with free content, it would also be linking to a, now my writing is atrocious, but it doesn't matter. So this could be a free offer to either join a community-based sort of social media area, and it's a free offer. Or you can also do a ebook, or you could do a really cheap ebook like $5. Or it can be a free 30-minute, which is what I do actually, free 30-minute, I can't write because I'm a child, free 30 minutes consultation call. I'll just do CC for short. So you can offer them a free ebook or a very cheap ebook, a PDF, a 30-minute consultation call, an hour, whatever it may be. And the list goes on and on and on. Another few things that you could do is you could build some sort of template on Notion, like, what's a good example? A habit tracker or something like that. And you can be like, okay, if you guys sign up with your email, you guys get a completely free 90-day habit tracker. And the point of them making these free offers is to lead these people eventually to give them your email. So we'll make this blue. Now all of this will eventually lead to you getting there on some sort of platform like ConvertKit or whatever it may be. Then after you've made your content, you made your free offer, whatever it may be, then you don't want to lead these people once again to your paid content. Now, not everybody's going to pay for your paid content. Not many people want to do paid content. People want free stuff and they'll just stick with that, or they'll just consume your content. So either they'll fall into this category, which is the just social media, watch this video type stuff, or they'll just grab your free stuff and that's it. Or the very few people that have signed up with this and you've given them your email and you've done copy and you sent out a proposal to get the paid content, which is also linked to your 30-minute social media content consulting call, which means it will lead directly to your paid content. This is free value to people. So for people that might be thinking, oh, a 30-minute consultation call is not free. It's free and it can lead into a paid call, because 30 minutes might only be the thing that they need and that's it. You could maybe help them with all their problems, but depending on your offer, depending if you can lead them into a paid program, which is the end goal that you want. So the paid program could be something like, what's a good marker? Red. So this could be anything from like a course between, let's say, $1,000, 1K, all the way up to, let's say, 5K. Now these are your mid-tier offers. So you got mid-tier and you got low-tier, which is anything from pretty much 0 all the way up onto, let's say, 100. So these are your low tier offers. And what you could also do is, for let's say $20, $30 a month, you could put them in a paid community, which offers more benefits than these ones here. So this could eventually lead into, I'll just do com for short, paid community, and this would be your heavy hitter. Let's move myself out of the way for you guys. This could move you into either a course, or if you haven't got a course, you can literally start with one-on-one coaching call, which would be either 30, 60, or 90 days. So depends how you structure it, depends how you can help these people. I am offering a one-on-one coaching service, which is a 30-day program, and it's about $1,000. If you are interested in that, then go to the description, book in a call if you want to. So you can offer these things, and the higher tier things will be once you've got an experience. Of course, you can start charging anywhere crazy amounts between, let's say, 5K all the way up to, let's say, $15,000. Now this could be things such as masterminds, so these could be meetups, so you could also be events. It could be an online event. And it can also be a much bigger version of your one-on-one coaching. So one-on-one coaching class, I would say. So that's pretty much how that works. And let's move myself again. So this is the gist of how it works. To start off, you're gonna make content. You're going to put as much value in here as you can, and you're going to leave these people with some sort of offer, which is a Telegram group, a Discord server, or a community on like school or something like that. And what your offer can also be is you can make some sort of product for these people. It can be a 10-page ebook, 5-page ebook, and it can be an ebook, PDF, or a 30-minute coaching call. Then the goal is eventually to lead the people that got your free stuff more than likely into your paid stuff, which can be a 1 to 5 grand course, or it can be a one-on-one coaching program. 0 to 100 could be anything like a paid community or a expensive ebook, or even just a actual book itself. Then you've got 5 to 15 grand, which is masterminds, events, one-on-one coaching, that sort of thing. So that's how I would actually go about it if I were starting to do content creation and I wanted to make it into a business, instead of relying on things such as just the YouTube algorithm or the TikTok algorithm, where TikTok pays you through the creator program, which doesn't pay that much, to be honest, and the YouTube partner program, which pays you, it can pay you an alright amount, but you need millions and millions of views. However, if you do what I just showed you, this is more in your control than if TikTok or YouTube shut down. Then you've got people's emails and you can still change to different programs. So for example, if Kajabi shuts down, you could move to ClickFunnels or something along the lines of that. But if you enjoyed today's video, I know it's very raw. I like doing these raw videos because it's more authentic instead of the over heavily edited stuff, which doesn't really help anybody besides 4 ways to become a millionaire, which is sleep, meditate, read a book, and go to the gym. Which it doesn't make you a millionaire, it just makes you healthy. But we'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, and if you're interested in the one-on-one 30-day coaching program, but definitely check out the link below, and it's got a 30-minute free consultation call to see if I can help you. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.